want some lean, she want the Gucci. I ride with some hundreds on me, I got the blue cheek. Pull up in a Jeep, I put it on 4G. I want your body, give me.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Z and I'm back with another video. And in today's video I'm just going to be showing you guys how I straighten my hair. So let's get right into it. I'm going to be using the Strengthen and Restore shampoo by Shea Moisture and the Infera treatment. Next I'm just going to be using a little bit of my heat protectant. It's the Shea Moisture Omega 369 heat protectant, and I'm just going to be using that all throughout my hair. Next I'm just going to be blow drying my hair out and combing it through with my comb, and then I'm just going to use my elastic band just to put it off to the side, and I'm just going to be doing the exact same things to the rest of my sections. Now since I blow dried my hair out, I'm just going to be taking my two parts and tying it out so it can be out of the way. And then I'm just going to be using my back section and I'm going to take that out so we can start straightening my hair. I'm just going to be doing the chase method when I'm straightening my hair to make sure every single knot is out of my hair, and just to make sure that I have every single hair strand when I'm straightening my hair. I'm just going to be doing the same exact thing throughout the rest of my hair, so I'll just see you guys later on in the video. Alright guys, so it's actually the next morning and my hair actually does not look so bad after I comb it through. And then I'm just going to be putting a little bit of coconut oil on it before I use my hot comb. And then I'm just going to be doing my edges because obviously they look a hot mess. After that, I'm just going to be going in with my straightener because my hot comb didn't really do the trick. Alright, so this is the final look for you guys. After I'm done straightening my hair, this is the back view of how it's looking so far. I ended up trimming my hair just a little bit more so it can be a little bit more straight and even. And then yeah, this is just the results. Do you guys see the flowiness? Like, do you guys see it? This is just using one product, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see from me down below in the comments. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video.